So is this the correct distance, James?
Closer.
Yeah. A bit closer?
Kind of need to shout it to them.
Okay.
A bit louder.
A bit louder?
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe use the other one.
Okay, so in stereo this time. Some of you of a certain age may recognise the original song on which this contribution is based. If you do, and I'm pleased to see a number of umbrellas here, you will remember that there is a very good routine that goes with it as well. If you feel moved to reenactment, feel free, because we, seriously, Sheffield are getting a free ride on this match. Sheffield Splitter feed, they're getting a free ride on the choreography, and it's good. It's good, but people, we can do better. Okay. Ideally, I would sing this, but as my father used to say, son, you sing in the key of Chubb and the key of Yale, or as my current long-suffering partner says, you have a range of 3 notes and 2 of them are flat. So I'm going to go more for Rex Harrison recitative, but if you know the original tune, feel free to join in. So, we're striking in the rain, just striking in the rain. Management intransigence means we're back here again. For what do you say? We want safe jobs and fair pay, a decent pension, an 8-hour working day. Now let you see you chase SMT from this place. Overpaid, overbearing, they're an utter disgrace. Their behaviour's a sin, but we're not giving in. We're here to stay, and we're going to win. And when you see you win, the changes begin. We'll be properly valued and happy again. But to do this requires massed ranks and massed choirs. Grow the line, we'll be 5, and we'll gain our desires. Join in, striking in the rain.
Striking in the rain. Management instruments striking again. Okay. Detach.
Next.